Hey everyone, if you're flying Qatar Airways and want to experience their world-class business or first class without paying the full fare, this update is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the latest methods to score that upgrade. Let's jump in. Step 1. Choose the right fare class. The secret to a successful upgrade starts before you even buy your ticket. Qatar has tightened eligibility. Economy Flex and Flex Plus fares have the highest success rates for upgrades. Avoid Economy Promo classes W and G, as these are generally restricted from using Avios or Q credits to move up. Step 2. Use the Qatar Airways mobile app. The newest update gives the mobile app priority for flash upgrade notifications. Download the app and add your booking reference. Keep push notifications on. Qatar often sends discounted last-minute cash upgrade offers directly to the app between 48 and 12 hours before departure. These are often much cheaper than the standard fare difference. Step 3. Upgrade with Avios or Q credits online. If you have Avios, don't wait for the airport. Log in to your Privilege Club account on the website. Go to Manage Booking and look for the Upgrade button. Use the Q calculator first to see exactly how many points you need. In 2025, you can also use Cash plus Avios to part pay for an upgrade if you're short on points. Step 4. The Last Chance Airport Upgrade. If you didn't see an offer online, you can still upgrade at the airport up to 60 minutes before departure. Head to the check-in desk or the customer service desk in the Hamad International Airport transit area and ask specifically for standby upgrades. If seats are available, you can often pay a fixed rate that is significantly lower than the booking gate price. Step 5. Check your email for Offer to Upgrade. Keep an eye on your inbox for a Bid for Upgrade email. Qatar's 2025 system allows you to move a slider to choose how much you're willing to pay. Pro tip: aim for the slightly above mid-range bid. Lowball offers are rarely accepted now due to high demand for Q suites. Remember, upgrades are always subject to availability, so the earlier you check, the better. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.